The Red Rock 5-inch black billet antenna that we have here today will be a great option for the 97 and newer F-150 owners, really looking to clean up the exterior appearance by ditching that factory antenna and going with a much shorter, sleeker quality CNC billet option for right around 40 to 50 bucks. So short and sweet here, guys, the factory antenna is good for picking up just about every radio station in your town or even your state, but that's pretty much it, right? I mean, it looks goofy. It's oftentimes way too tall for the truck, and listen, can easily get damaged if you take your truck off-road, go through some tight trails, or take it through the occasional automatic car wash. Now, the 5-inch option here from Red Rock, on the other hand, at least according to our customer reviews, is still good enough to maintain decent radio reception on most of your terrestrial radio stations, but more importantly, is going to make a massive improvement in regards to your appearance. Now, full disclosure, gang, I've had a shorty billet antenna on pretty much all of my trucks over the years, and for the very small amount of time I do spend listening to terrestrial radio, sports talk, whatever, I don't really notice a huge drop-off in performance. Now, granted, I do live kind of near a larger city, so therefore station signal strength is pretty strong overall. However, if you do live out in the sticks or out in the country a bit, well then, you might notice some decreased performance in reception. Now, construction-wise, you are going to be looking at a high-quality CNC billet aluminum build that has been finished off in an anodized black, which is both scratch and weather resistant. Now, installation couldn't be any easier, right? You might need a wrench to loosen up that stocker, but after that, just simply locate the correct thread adapter for your truck, screw it onto the new billet piece, install it, and you're good to go. Now, because this is just incredibly easy, site's gonna call it a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Maybe 5 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish, but that's probably even pushing it. But regardless, we have an American Trucks customer to walk you through the job now. Check it out.
The stock antenna, all you're gonna do is twist it counterclockwise. Comes right off. Easy as that. The next step you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little bag that's filled with adapters, and you're gonna find which one works best for you. The easiest way to do that is to just look at the threading on your existing antenna and just match it up with the adapter that looks closest to that. And then the last thing you'll just have to keep in mind is that they come with little spacers as well. Once you screw the antenna in, you're gonna find that there's just a small gap between the base of your antenna mount and the actual antenna itself. So you just wanna put that bracket in there, the spacer in there, to fill that gap, make it look nice and clean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We've got our correct spacer and we've got our antenna. We're just gonna put that spacer on the antenna. And as easy as that, we're just gonna hand tighten it down as far as it goes. And there you have it.
So wrapping this one up, guys, if you are looking to clean up the appearance on your F-150 without dropping too much performance in radio reception, be sure to check out the Red Rock 4x4 Billet Shorty right here at AmericanTrucks.com.